सारे टैग्स उतार दिए एंड इनको हम अलग से धोएंगे बिकॉज ये कॉटन के हैं, सो कलर छूट सकता है, एंड वाइट वाले भी अलग से धोएंगे. एंड देन स्वेटर्स एंड ऑल मैंने अभी छोड़ दिए हैं सेकंड स्लॉट में विद ब्लैंकेट्स आई वॉश देम. बेबी क्लोथ्स. एंड फाइनली एक स्लॉट हो गया बच्चे के कपड़े का वॉश्ड एंड ऑल सॉर्टेड. आई गॉट दीज हैंगर्स फ्रॉम IKEA. Yeah, this was such a wholesome thing to do. So finally my mother-in-law washed सारे कपड़े with all her love and हमने साथ में मिलके सुखा दिए हैं. And I'm just glad we got this done. And now I'm left with all the warm clothes, blankets वगैरह, which I'll do later.
एंड उसके लिए ही मैंने उसके कीवर्ड्स की सर्च बोलने में ये भी निकाली. अच्छा, ये कीवर्ड देखिए यूजर.
Hi guys, तो आज मैं वो सब कुछ दिखाने वाली हूँ which I've got for my newborn, but I'm still 33 weeks pregnant, so I'd like to be prepared. I have ordered all of this using an Excel sheet that was shared to me in a mom's group. I will link it down below. So that Excel sheet gave me the knowledge that I needed to in order to figure out कि क्या order करना है, which brands to go for. I took a month to research and everything, and then I ordered all of this stuff that I'm showing you. May seem excessive, but I like to plan ahead. तो 3 महीने तक का मैंने सब सामान ऑर्डर किया है, which I'll show you one by one in different categories. So these are all the things I've got in the sterilizer bottle wala section. So let's start. Firstly, I've got this bottle drying rack. Then from Love Lab. So ये सारा फर्स्ट क्राई से मंगवाया था मोस्टली मैंने. I've got Philips Avent का colic वाला bottle. My sister said that colic wala is better, and I got Dr. Brown ka anti-colic bottle. But since both of these bottles were very popular but plastic, so I did get like glass bottles also from Love Lab. So I'll figure how we use that. Then I've got a Paladai feeding cup. I think for a newborn, if you don't want to use bottle right away, this is really useful, I've heard. So we'll see and take it to the hospital. When I've heard कि hospital में सब spoon और कटोरी से पिलाती है nurses. Then these are disposable breast pads. Got some breast milk storage bags. A bottle warmer. And the good thing about this is it's a 4-in-1 one. तो ये स्टरलाइज वार्म सब कुछ कर देता है, तो अगर सिंगल बॉटल करनी है तो दैट विल कम इन हैंडी. देन आई गॉट सम बॉटल कवर्स अगेन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्राई. दिस ब्रांड Abracadabra, I've seen a lot, so I just got 2 covers for now. And then I got the Philips का sterilizer. Although after getting this, I did see a lot of reviews on sterilizers जिसमें drying का भी feature होता है. So I regret this a little bit, but then it's very very popular. So I'm gonna use it anyway. And probably if I've got the sterilizer जिसमें drying का भी feature होता है, brands के नाम मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पता, तो मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, but that's fine. Then I've got this kit again from First Cry for washing the bottles and everything, which I'll of course hand over to my house help and she can use it. I've got these milk collection bottles when I just want to store the milk in the fridge temporarily, and this is of course for freezing the milk. So I'll see दोनों में से क्या use होता है. Then I've got this breast pump from Love Lab. This one, it is an electric breast pump. I got this for around 4,000 rupees. I wanted to get the Mom Cozy one, which is the wearable breast pump, but I got this one for now because I don't even know if I'll use a breast pump, and Mom Cozy was around 20,000 rupees. So I'll see if this gets used a lot, then I'll switch to Mom Cozy and invest that much. Then finally we have a nursing cover from Nintara Baby, and I just really liked the quality. So that's all we have in the milk bottle breast pump department. Then I got this feeding pillow. तो मैंने Amazon पे काफ़ी feeding pillows देखे थे. They were very tacky design wise. And ये हम कहाँ से लाए थे? Mother Care in Saket, DLF Saket. तो मुझे this brand is called Crane Baby. तो मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा प्रिंट लगा, काफ़ी क्लासी लगा, एंड इट हैज़ डबल साइड्स. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर नर्सिंग. देन वी गॉट दिस कवर which acts like a baby carrier also for like hospital visits, और बेडिंग की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो ये ऐसे फोल्ड कर देते हैं, सो ऐसे करके यू कैन होल्ड द बेबी. एंड इट्स फ्रॉम मी आर्कस. वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड आई लव्ड इट. सिर्फ 1000 रुपीज़ का था ये, एंड गुड फॉर बेडिंग टू, लाइक आई सेड. Then I got a lot of langots. Everything is from Super Bottom. You must have heard of the brand. I got dry free langots, and then I got some diapers. So दोनों लिए मैंने Super Bottom से. This is what they look like. They're able to absorb like 1 pee या 2 सुसु तक. They can absorb. So I've gotten those, and इसका मुझे जो बेस्ट पार्ट लगा was it comes with these top sheets. ये डिस्पोजेबल टॉप शीट्स होती है जो आप डायपर के ऊपर डाल सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो इट अवे. तो आपको बार बार साफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड ये चीको के मैंने नॉर्मल कॉटन वाले वो भी लिए थे. आई विल शो यू सम वेट वाइप्स ऑल्सो दैट आई बॉट. सो एवरीथिंग इन द डायपर सेगमेंट इज फ्रॉम सुपर बॉटम्स दैट आई गॉट for the cotton diapers. And then I got just 3 packets अभी मुझे नहीं पता कितने यूज़ होंगे. R4 Rabbit की feather diapers which I heard were the best. मुझे Alter के लेने थे but वो stock out थे, and ये भी Super Bottom के साथ आया था. I think these are for thick protection or something. I will figure it out honestly. But yeah, that is everything in the diaper bedding department that I got. Then I got this laundry bag. ये से पूरा open up हो जाता है IKEA से, to keep in the corner of my room for dirty clothes, nappies, everything, ताकि मुझे बार बार laundry room में ना जाना पड़े. And then these are some additional things that I got. We're not doing a baby shower. पंजाबी में baby shower नहीं होता है, but I will still want to give
shower.
Shut up. बट मैं आई स्टिल वांट कि हम फ्रेंड्स के साथ वी डू सम क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स. तो इसके लिए ऐसे ये अमेज़ॉन पे बेबी कार्ड्स थे जिस पे इट आस्क्स यू, आई होप द बेबी गेट्स मॉम्स, डैड्स, एंड देन पीपल विल राइट देयर आंसर्स, एंड देन यू नो सम लाइक फन क्यूट गेम्स, एंड देन हम यहाँ पे नेम सजेशंस ले सकते हैं. एंड दीज आर सम सैशेस which says baby mama, baby papa. So hopefully we get to call some friends and do this at home. And then this whole section that you see are all the old clothes that my mother-in-law and my mom gave. So ये हरप्रीत का बचपन का स्वेटर है. Imagine 33 years old sweater this is, and this is my 31-year-old frock. तो I will wash these, and एक बार हम ज़रूर पहनाएंगे बेबी को, just so everyone's happy. Then जो बेड साइड टेबल है वहाँ पे I've kept all the essentials in all the IKEA drawers. So starting with the first drawer. First drawer is all about a lot of like medication, snacks, because I feel like abhi for pregnancy these are the essentials that I need. The drawer is a little messed up right now, but yeah, that's what I use the most. And then I have this drawer as the entire baby drawer. So I'll quickly show you. I've got bath products सारे Sebamed के. Face body wash उनका common था. Then shampoo. Then Sebamed का body lotion. All of this is from Sebamed. Then I got a few things from Mother's Purse, which was their cold pressed coconut oil. Then Sebamed का ही facial cream. So basic जो products होते हैं. Then I've heard Aquaphor का ये वाला डायपर रैश क्रीम इज़ वेरी गुड. तो ये काफ़ी महंगा आया था अमेज़ॉन से, बट आई गॉट दिस. एंड सूडो क्रेम का भी मैंने ले लिया डायपर वाला क्रीम. So again these two I got. दो की ज़रूरत नहीं थी but गलती से एक आ गया था. Then I got this nasal aspirator, ये manual वाला. I've heard a lot about how this is very useful for nasal congestion. So this I've got. And then I've also got tummy roll-on Mother Sparsh का because this is for colic pain. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे को कोई नॉलेज नहीं है बट दे वर recommended in an Excel sheet that was shared by in a mom's group. So my friend shared it with me and it came in really handy and I linked that sheet in the description down below. It had 116 items in the newborn category. तो उसमें से रिसर्च करके सब कुछ पढ़ के रील्स देख के आई ऑर्डर्ड ऑल ऑफ दिस बिकॉज मुझे लास्ट टाइम के लिए कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना था. Then this is like a non-touch thermometer for the baby and yeah, that's everything in like the bathing department. Then in the grooming department we have this oral cleanser जो baby की tongue पे milk लग जाता है उसके लिए Love Lab के oral cotton cleansers. Got a electric nail file, pretty standard, and I got like a pretty standard grooming kit from Love Lab. ये ऐसे पैकेट में आई थी तो इट हैज़ हेयर ब्रश एंड एवरीथिंग. फिर मैंने एक सिलिकॉन का बेदिंग ब्रश भी लिया था. बेबीज़ को कभी कभी नहलाने में यूज़ आएगा. क्राइडल कैप हो जाता है उनको. सो फॉर दैट एंड आई गॉट अ टीदर जस्ट इन केस. आई नो अभी टीदर की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है बट आई जस्ट गॉट इट. एंड दिस इज़ द क्यूटेस्ट थिंग आई गॉट फ्रॉम Amazon. दिस इज़ लाइक अ diaper disposable sort of keychain. It has all these garbage bags that can be used to dispose the diapers because सारे diapers room में dispose होने वाले हैं. So just so they don't smell and it has come with a lot of refills like that. So that's here in the grooming department. And lastly we have the wet wipes. Again बहुत famous है Mother Sparsh की 99% water wipe. So I'll see how this goes. That is what I've got for the change of diapers. Now this product, last one, it will tell you how eccentric I am, but I've got this anti-choking device. I know इसका भी कोई काम नहीं है. It will probably get used when the baby starts consuming solids, but I wanted to get this because it was just in that Excel sheet and I'd seen a lot of videos where these come in really handy if your baby is choking on any food. So I got that. So that was like the drawer here. All the skincare, medical stuff, grooming is here. All the newborn clothes in different categories, sweaters, sleep suits, rompers is here. Bibs, socks, mittens, caps. These are all the 0 to 3 months wale clothes. Again, different categories: sleep suits, rompers, thermals. These are the blankets at the back. These are all the swaddles in different kinds. These are burp and washcloths, hankies. And then these are towels, bed sheets and dry sheets. Most of my clothes are from H&M, First Cry. Yeah, I think mostly they're from H&M. I really like their collection. I did see a lot of good clothes at Mother Care, DLF Saket also. But since I live in North Delhi, we didn't have that option. So I ordered everything online from H&M app. And I loved their sleep suits, onesies, sweaters. That's it. That's everything I've gotten. I'll now be packing my hospital bag and I'll make a separate video on it.